How to appeal a marketplace ban. So you might be in the situation where you are not being able to access the marketplace. It might be because you have done some of the activities that is against the terms and condition of Facebook Marketplace. So if you want to appeal it, start by heading over to your application Facebook. Enter your login credential and log into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, now what you want to do is head over to menu at the bottom right corner. Scroll all the way down and click on Help and Support. Tap on Support. Once you are in this page, now what you want to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on Help Center. Now choose Marketplace. Once you are in this page, scroll down and right here you can see it says, "Was this helpful?" Tap on No and click on Other. Now in this page, you have to state all the issue that you have been facing on Facebook. You can simply copy and paste the thing I have just written. Once you have written all of those things, tap on Submit. And within 24 hours, they will definitely help you out. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.